How to use VO3 AI to create viral videos. Imagine creating a million-view video without ever picking up a camera. No crew. No budget. Just your words and VO3 AI. This isn't science fiction, it's the new reality. Meet VO3 AI. VO3 is DeepMind's groundbreaking AI model that turns text into cinematic video. From realistic lighting to natural motion, it understands what makes visuals go viral. And it's all generated in stunning 4K. Why it's revolutionary? Forget stock footage. Forget templates. VO3 creates original, story-driven scenes based on your imagination. It's like having a Hollywood director, powered by AI. Getting started, start by heading to DeepMind's VO portal. Sign in with your Google developer account. Click New Project, and you're in. Your AI filmmaking journey begins now. The viral prompt formula. Here's the secret: write cinematic prompts. Combine action, setting, mood, and camera angle. For example, a child chases a balloon through a foggy forest, wide angle, golden hour, natural light. The AI does the rest. Build your story like a director, think like a filmmaker. Use VO3 to build your story scene by scene. Open with tension. Build suspense. End with an emotional punch. Every prompt is a building block in your viral story. Voiceovers with AI. Add voiceovers using Fleeky's built-in narration or 11 Labs for ultra-realistic tones. Match your story's emotion: dramatic, robotic, natural, or cinematic. Your narration brings the visuals to life. Final edits and effects. Once your scenes are ready, polish them in CapCut, Premiere, or Runway. Add color grades, transitions, motion blur, and sound design. Tools like MusicGen and Epidemic Sound make it easy to score like a pro. Exporting and uploading. Export in 4K UHD for max impact. On YouTube, use curiosity-driven titles, clickable thumbnails, and keyword-rich tags. Optimization is just as important as creation. Bonus AI Power Stack. Want to scale? Use ChatGPT to script, Pictory to convert into shorts, and vidIQ to dominate SEO. This is how creators automate their content empire, using AI as their team. You now hold the blueprint to creating viral videos, powered entirely by AI. So what will you create next? Subscribe to HOWFINITY and master the future of video.